Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Sheena wig by Jon Renau in the color 633. So I'd like to talk about the color really quick. This is a really nice chocolatey brown color. They have some really nice chocolate brown blends. 830 is really nice, 832 is very nice, 433 is very nice. This one, the 633, let me zoom in here so I can show you what I mean. The 33 that is in the 633 is a much more natural looking, typical 33 than what you get in the 433. The 430, so don't be fooled by the simplicity of the color codes. The 33 in the 433 is more vibrant, and it isn't just an optical illusion of the fact that the number 4 is a darker color. It really is a brighter, more intense red that they use in that blend. So in this blend, it's a much more subtle effect because that 33 is more of an auburn brown than an intense sort of cherry red color. And then it's blended with a really nice sort of neutral medium brown. So the overall effect is warm without screaming auburn. You know, it just has a little hint of warmth to it that kind of gives a little bit of dynamicism to the tone. So let's talk about Sheena for a second. This wig has a ton of volume, as you can probably tell, but one thing I will say that I love about this wig is it has great coverage. You can't see my bio hair at all. Here on the sides, in the back. You can't see it at all. It's got really good coverage. I love that. I actually don't mind the height at all either, because sometimes some people just really like these wigs with a lot of height on top. And I actually kind of like some of these wigs with the height on top. They're easy to wear. I love the texture on Sheena. I mean, she is the epitome of a shake and go, except she's got these great razored edges here in the front that I just think are really kind of sexy. I think this one is really cute, but again, she's really tall. She's got a lot of volume. So if you're scared of the volume, this may be one to steer clear of. Let me turn around, and that way you can see Sheena from all sides. She's got a lot going on. Look how great that coverage is back there, though. That's awesome. So let's talk some specs. She is only 2 ounces. She's super lightweight. This is an oh so light wig, so it seems appropriate. This wig has a 3.5 inch bang, which is a great bang length. You can wear it down, or you can sweep it off to the side like I was doing. The crown down is 2.5 inches, the sides are 2.5, and the nape is 3 inches, but it's nice and thick and there's lots of great coverage back there. It's a wide nape too, which I like. She's got a ton of permatease, not gonna front, ton of permatease up here at the top. So let me go ahead and take Sheena off so I can show you the cap construction. So here is the top of Sheena. Again, spade of permatease with a big bump here at the crown. Nice band of fuzzy felt right here at the front hairline, nice and generous. We do have open ear tabs, so this one will be easy to wear glasses with. We do have an extended felt nape, and like I said, it's a little wider than what you'll see on some wigs, which is great. You also get Velcro adjusters in the back here. She's very stretchy at the perimeter, which is great. Not so stretchy in the back though. This wig also comes in a petite cap size, but this is the average version. And you can see that color really well, how that 6 and that 33 are blended together. And you can see right away, if you compare this to the 433, that it's a much less intense auburn being used. This texture is all over the wig, so it definitely looks like it's had a perm. But the great thing is, you never have to worry about that fading on a wig like this. And then here is the top. You can see it's thoroughly permatease, so it will never lose that volume. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. She's very stretchy, very accommodating, very comfortable on. Great coverage at the nape, like I said. You just do that, she's ready to go. So this has been the Sheena by Jon Renau in the color 633. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews, and until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.